Watson Boas has been named in this weekend's team but will be monitored after undergoing an X-ray on his shoulder yesterday.
Watson received some bruising towards his shoulder, and we've just been managing him with making sure that he's going through rehabilitation and physio work. Has gone through the medical procedures, which is X-rays and that, so nothing of great concern, and it's just managing it towards having him available on Sunday.
Apart from Watson, there are no other injury concerns. Radley Brown makes a return this weekend and has been named on the extended bench.
Yes, Radley returns from suspension, so he's had a 3-week hiatus, and I'm sure he'll be happy to be back. We are looking forward to having him, so it'll be an extended bench, and we're looking at how we manage that and having him involved in the team somewhere.
Moses Meninga and Charlie Simon were cited in last weekend's match but have been cleared to play this weekend. The team is looking forward to this weekend's clash and will be working on errors picked up from last week. The team travels to Australia on Friday before they take on the Tweed Head Seagulls on Sunday 2 p.m. at Pigbin Sports Complex. Elijah Levet, National EMTV Sports.